everyone! In today's video, Emily will tell you a story about her daily routine. You'll learn some useful vocabulary and expressions that are commonly used in everyday conversations. This will also be a great opportunity for you to practice and improve your English listening and speaking skills. Listen carefully.
Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a homemaker. That means I take care of my house and my family every day. It's a busy job, but also a very fulfilling one. My day usually starts early in the morning. As soon as I wake up, I wash my face, get dressed, and head to the kitchen. I prepare breakfast, usually pancakes, eggs, or oatmeal. I make sure the meal is nutritious and tasty. That way, my family has the energy they need. After breakfast, I help my 2 children get ready for school. We pack their bags, check their homework, and talk about their day ahead. Then I walk them to the bus stop and wave goodbye. When I come back home, I tidy up the house. I sweep the floor, do the dishes, and fold the laundry. Keeping the home clean and cozy helps everyone feel relaxed. Around 10 a.m., I go to the grocery store. I buy essentials like fruits, vegetables, milk, and bread. I enjoy walking through the market and planning our weekly meals. Back home, I put the groceries away and start preparing lunch. I love trying new dishes and keeping our meals balanced, with protein, vegetables, and a little treat. While lunch is cooking, I go outside to tend to my garden. Taking care of plants is peaceful. I even talk to them sometimes. After lunch, my children return from school. We sit at the table and do homework together. It's a great opportunity to bond and help them learn. Once the homework is done, we spend time doing fun things, drawing, baking cookies, or playing games. These moments make me smile. In the late afternoon, I begin cooking dinner. I love experimenting with recipes, mixing spices, and creating new flavors. Cooking is not just a job, it's like art. Evenings are family time. We eat together, talk about our day, and sometimes watch a movie. I help the kids get ready for bed. They brush their teeth, put on pajamas, and I read them a bedtime story. When the house is quiet, I sit down with a cup of tea. I reflect on the day and write in my journal. I feel grateful, tired, but happy. Being a homemaker may seem simple, but for me, it's a life full of love, care, and purpose.
Great listening! Now let's go over some important vocabulary from Emily's story. 1. Daily routine. The usual things you do every day. Example, my daily routine includes waking up early and exercising. Repeat after me. My daily routine includes making breakfast. 2. Head to. To go to a place. Example, after breakfast, I head to work. Repeat. I head to the grocery store every Monday. 3. Make sure. To check something so you are certain about it. Example, please make sure the doors are locked before you leave. Repeat. I make sure the kids have their school bags. 4. Get ready for. To prepare for something. Example, the children need to get ready for school. Repeat. I get ready for dinner around 5 o'clock. 5. Tidy up. To make a place neat and clean. Example, we need to tidy up the living room before guests arrive. Repeat. I tidy up the kitchen after every meal. 6. Put away. To put something in its proper place. Example, Please put away your toys when you finish playing. Repeat. I put away the groceries after shopping. 7. Spend time. To use time doing something. Example. I like to spend time reading on the weekends. Repeat. We spend time together after dinner. 8. Talk about. To discuss something. Example. Let's talk about your plans for the holidays. Repeat. We talk about our day every evening. 9. Sit down. To move from standing to sitting. Example. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable. Repeat. I sit down to read a book after work. Number 10. Write in my journal. To write your thoughts or experiences in a personal book. Example. Before bed, I usually write in my journal about my day. Repeat. I write in my journal every night before sleeping. Number 11. Nutritious. Gives your body what it needs. Example. Vegetables are nutritious. They help you grow strong. Repeat. I always cook a nutritious breakfast. 12. Cozy. A place that feels warm and nice. Example. I love cozy blankets in the winter. Repeat. Our living room feels cozy in the evening. 13. Tend to. To take care of something. Example. I tend to my garden every morning. Repeat. I tend to the plants when the sun is out. 14. Bond. To grow closer to someone. Example. We bond when we play games together. Repeat. We bond while doing homework together. 15. Experimenting. Trying something new. Example. I'm experimenting with a new chocolate cake recipe. Repeat. I love experimenting with dinner recipes. 16. Reflect. To think deeply about something. Example. I reflect on my day before bed. Repeat. At night, I reflect on what I did today. 17. Fulfilling. Something that feels meaningful. Example. Helping my family is fulfilling. Repeat. Cooking for my children feels fulfilling. 18. Essentials. Things you must have. Example. Bread and milk are essentials. Repeat. I buy the essentials every Monday morning. 19. Balance. A healthy mix. Example. We need a balance between study and play. Repeat. I try to keep a balance between work and rest. 20. Opportunity. A good chance. Example. Helping kids with homework is a learning opportunity. Repeat. This lesson is a great opportunity to learn English. Now, repeat after me. Speak clearly and slowly. You've got this. Hi, my name is Emily. I am a homemaker. I take care of my home and my family. I wake up early in the morning. I prepare breakfast for my family. I enjoy cooking pancakes and eggs. I make sure the food is nutritious. After breakfast, I help my kids get ready for school. I tidy up the house. I go grocery shopping in the morning. I buy essentials like vegetables and milk. I prepare lunch when I get home. I tend to my garden and water the plants. After lunch, I help my kids with their homework. We bond during study time. In the evening, I start cooking dinner. I enjoy experimenting with new recipes. We eat together and share stories. Before bed, I reflect on my day. Being a homemaker is fulfilling. Great work today! You listened to a full story, learned 10 new vocabulary words, and practiced speaking English clearly. That's a big achievement. Remember, the best way to get better at English is to practice a little bit every day. You can watch this video again and speak along. This will help you feel more confident. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English learning videos every week. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep smiling. Bye for now.